This is the SL06 Well Light. The story behind this light is it took me over 3 years to design this. This product has to be designed really as an underwater light. It has to be able to go into the ground. Lawnmowers have to be able to run over it. High heels need to be able to step on it. And it needs to be able to produce an amazing light output. This light, like our other lights, is component-based, so it's a serviceable, integrated luminaire. It gives us anywhere from 200 to 1,000 lumens at 97 CRI. So there's nothing else on the market that's even close to the light output, the light clarity, and the light control. It has a number of unique features. Number one, it can be put into concrete with our concrete pour kit. It can be put into grass with our grass guard protection. And it also has the ability to angle. So we're able to actually change the beam spread or change the direction of the light up to 15 degrees. So this is such a versatile light, and it allows us to get into the grasses, out of the natural bedding areas, so that we could put light onto trees and other objects where we need to have it and allow the lawnmowers and maintenance and everything to go through without hurting the light fixture at all. This is a heavy-duty beast of a light. The other thing is the versatility of it. We could put it in concrete, we could put it out in the yard with grass guards, with concrete pour kits. So for my lighting designers that really understand using well lights and all the applications, this is such a versatile well light. This product can be used in so many applications and really helps upgrade your lighting designs to a much higher level. Our lighting designers love the ability to adjust the beam angle on the light. So we're actually able to put a 15-degree change on it. So if it's mounted flush in the ground and we angle the LED itself, we could put it at an angle. So we could actually direct the light while it's still mounted flush into the ground. This light is really the best light out there. My lighting designers I work with believe this is their #1 go-to well light when it comes to this application. This is a professional grade product, weighing just about 6 pounds, heavy duty, durable. If you haven't used this, you need to give this light a try and just feel the quality and the heftiness and durability of this product. This light represents who we are, and that's Sterling Lighting.